and welcome back to my channel. This is a very quick video of fried calamari, which is our family favorite. Forget traveling, if you're traveling and there is a fried calamari on the menu, it is being ordered. But actually, even when we're not traveling, if we do go to a restaurant and if there is fried calamari, we always get it because we love it so much. So I thought, why not I do a recipe for you, because it's so quick, like din din din, fried, done. Enjoy. Let's do this. Now I did buy my squid from my local fishmongers, but before I prep that, I'm going to prepare the mix for dipping. So my hands are right now clean, so I can do that and then I can get going with the mixture. So I need lots of corn flour because this is made with just corn flour. So I need lots of corn flour. I'm just going to take, how much is this? This is 500 grams, so around 200 grams. Just take enough so it's properly coated. Right, now to this I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt, a little bit of chili powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper. So there's a lot of black pepper. A little bit of white pepper, quarter teaspoon or maybe half, and just a quarter teaspoon of garlic granules. And that should be a lovely mix ready. So once I've done that, I can get my attention to the squid. So I got, it's three of us having a bit of lunch at home. So I got 3 squid, which he had washed cleaned very nicely. I've just given it a good wash to get rid of any extra anything. And now I can cut it. These are my favorite bits. Now I'm just going to slice it thinly. I don't want very thick pieces. Okay, nice sharp knife. Make little strips. So that is all prepped. The oil I'm using, rapeseed oil, is heating up. I am just going to prep a couple more things. So I have got a bunch of around 8 to 10 spring onions. Gonna give it a quick wash. And then I'm gonna just thinly slice these. Also gonna take half a chili and chop this up. I think my oil is ready, so before I do anything else, let me put a batch in. I'm just gonna put all of it in actually. This is not going to work, is it? You need your hands to make sure every piece is coated really well. Then we'll batch it in, fry it in batches. So, okay, let's go for it. And very quickly, I'm going to slice up a couple of garlic cloves, nice fat little garlic cloves. This doesn't take long to fry, by the way, so need to keep an eye on this. Now these should only take a couple of minutes to fry because you don't want to overdo it. Just going to give it a couple more seconds. So while this is frying, I've got another pan and I'm just going to put a couple of tablespoons of olive oil in here. Now, once this is nice and hot, I'm going to add the spring onions, chili and garlic. I just need a couple of minutes on this. Just so it kind of gets a little stir fried nicely on high heat. So this has had a couple of minutes. You can see the edges are nice and golden. I am going to add a little pinch of salt and also my garlic and chili chutney recipe is on the channel. And then going to get this turned off. That's the last round of squid frying, and then so I'm going to turn this off and have the last bit fried. The last bit's done. Just go in here. And here it is, a quick 10-minute dish if you are looking for something quick at the moment on a lazy day. Delicious plate of food. Yu is behind the camera and he's really hungry, so he's been waiting patiently for this. Oh, that's delicious. It's not ultra crispy because we've tossed it in garlic and chili, but that adds that lovely lush flavor. Hope you'll try it. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and see you soon with another new recipe very soon. See you soon for another recipe very soon.